Today, I am going to talk about Suno AI 5.5, one of the most exciting AI-powered music generation tools available today. Suno AI 5.5 allows users to create complete songs simply by typing a text prompt. You don't need to be a professional singer, musician, or music producer. Just describe the type of song you want, and the AI can generate lyrics, vocals, melodies, and instrumental music within minutes. One of the biggest advantages of Suno AI 5.5 is its improved sound quality. Compared to earlier versions, it produces more natural vocals, better instrument separation, and more realistic musical compositions. This makes the generated songs sound closer to professionally produced music. Another impressive feature is its ability to create songs in different genres. Whether you want pop, rock, hip-hop, classical, electronic, or even folk music, Suno AI can adapt to your requirements. Users can also customize the mood, tempo, and style of the song. Suno AI 5.5 is helping content creators, YouTubers, students, and musicians bring their ideas to life quickly. Instead of spending hours composing music, users can focus on creativity while the AI handles the technical aspects. However, like all AI technologies, it also raises important questions about copyright, originality, and the future role of human artists. While AI can generate amazing music, human creativity, emotions, and personal experiences remain irreplaceable. In conclusion, Suno AI 5.5 represents a major step forward in AI-powered music creation. It makes music production more accessible, faster, and easier for everyone. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced creator, Suno AI offers exciting possibilities for exploring your musical ideas. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content about artificial intelligence and technology.